Welcome to the BI Courses YouTube channel. In the previous video, we saw different types of data sources Power BI can connect to. Today, we will try connecting Power BI to MS SQL Server and fetch data for our reporting purposes. Connecting to SQL Server or any other database is quite easy from Power BI. There are two ways. Either navigate to choose tables we are interested in or pass a SQL query, which can have complex groupings, orders, and conditions to satisfy our reporting needs. Let's jump onto the tool to take a look on both methods in more detail. Here
As
is
we
our
all
Power BI
know
screen.
that Power BI is a
Upon
business
selecting Get
intelligence
Data
reporting tool
and SQL
that
Server,
needs data as
we
a raw
can
material.
provide
In
the
this video,
string
we
for
will find
connecting
out
to our
data
local SQL
sources Power
server.
BI tool is compatible
Click
with,
OK.
or in other
Power
words,
BI is
which
now
all
connected
data
to
sources
the
Power
SQL
BI
server.
can connect
Here
to.
we can see
Additionally,
different
different
databases
ways of
contained
connection like
inside the
through
SQL
Power BI
server
Desktop,
and
Power Query, and Power
tables
BI Service.
under each one of them. Upon selecting the tables, just by clicking on them, we would be able to preview the data contained inside that table. Similarly, you can click on each one of them one by one. Once we are determined what all tables we need to select, we just need to hit the check boxes like this, and either we can click on transform data or load data. The transform data will take us to Power Query directly, while the load will load the data into your Power BI desktop. For now, let's hit on load. Now the data is being imported into Power BI desktop, and on the right hand side you would be able to see all the fields for each one of them included in the table which have been imported into Power BI desktop. From the table view, you would be able to see the data for each one of them.
As
And
we
now
all
we will
know
see
that
how to
Power
fetch
BI
the
is
data
a business
using a
intelligence
SQL
reporting
query.
tool
Once
that
again, we
needs
will hit on
data
Get
as a
Data,
raw material.
SQL Server,
In this video, we will
provide
find
the
out
string
data sources Power BI
and
tool is
advanced
compatible with,
options.
or
In the
in
advanced
other
options,
words, which
we
all
can
data
provide
sources Power
a
BI
SQL
can connect
statement.
to.
If you look
Additionally,
closely,
different
we
ways
are
of
trying to
connection
restrict
like through Power
the
BI
data
Desktop, Power
using a where
Query,
clause.
and Power BI
Here it says
Service.
the account keys should be less than 10. That means we are bringing in only that set of data from this table wherein the account key is less than 10. So we copy this SQL statement, we go back to Power BI, paste in the SQL code and hit OK. But it needs the database information because it doesn't know which database to run this query against. We copy the database, come back, we provide the database name and hit OK. The data is being fetched as of now and we hit OK load. Once the data is loaded, we can go to the table view, and for this query one, we have the same set of records what we saw in our SQL server.
Thank you for watching, folks. Connecting Power BI to SQL Server was fun and super easy, isn't it? Similarly, just by passing the connection string, credentials, Power BI can fetch data from any data source in a matter of seconds. In upcoming videos, we will see live demonstrations of transforming data we just fetched using Power Query. Before you go, please press the subscribe button to stay up to date. See you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.